Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with chapter 7, that is pronouns. Now what is pronouns? The words which used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Okay, so here now let us see a few examples. That is David, what is saying? Hello Amy, how are you? Amy, hi David, I am good. David, is this pen yours? Amy, no, it is not mine. Likewise, few words is there. Now, in the above dialog box, the word you, I, yours, it, mine, his, he are used in the place of nouns. So, these words are called pronouns. Okay. Whenever we use or we can replace nouns with all this, okay, all these words, then we can say that as a pronoun. Now which words you can use instead of nouns? So here are I, me, mine, we, ours, us, you, yours, he, him, his, she, her, it, they, them, theirs, etc. Okay, all these words are used can be used to replace a noun. Okay, now use pronouns for the colored word and answer this with the and answer with the help of picture. Okay, here is a girl, what she is doing, she is planting a flowers. So what is Avika doing? She is planting flowers. Now Avika is a girl, so we replaced she with Avika. Okay, now likewise there are few more examples. We'll see this. Where are my friends? So where are my friends? So here they are in the classroom. So they are in the classroom. Okay. Now there are usually 8 kinds of pronouns, but here in this chapter we will study only 3. That is personal pronoun, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Now first we will see personal pronouns in detail. Now read the following sentence, like I go to school daily. Okay, please give me a glass of water. She can sing well. Okay, here is she, me, I, we, them, all are used. Okay, so when we used personal pronouns, so whenever we are talking about some person, okay, including us, it can be us also. So whenever we are talking about any person or a name of a person, okay, we use what? Personal pronouns. Okay, there are 3 kind of personal pronouns we will see. The first is first person. First person means only one. We are talking about us. Okay, that is speaker. Right now I am the speaker, so I will talk about myself only. So in subjective and objective there are 2 cases. Okay, so in subjective cases I will use what? I am teaching to student. Okay, and in subjective case what we will use? Me, that please give me a glass of water. Here in subjective case I will use we always help them. And us, Shikha will meet us at the airport. Okay, now the second person, the person we are speaking to. Okay, here only we are talking, like only we are talking about ourselves, but in this second person. Okay, the person we are talking whom, like say for example I am talking with my mother. Okay, so me and my mother, we both are talking, so this is a second person. I am talking to whom? With my mother, so I will always use you. Okay, so one example is you are having fun at the party. Okay, now the third person. Third person is like when 2 persons are talking of someone else, about talking about third person. Let's say for example me and my mother, we both are talking, but talking about my sister. Okay, so my sister is third person here. So in subjective case and objective case, he and him, she, her, it, its, they, them. Okay, now circle the personal pronouns. Cab driver waited for him. I will go to Italy. Okay, here him and I, that are, so we are talking about whom? Some person. Okay, so you are having fun at the party. You, it needs to be taken care of. It, we are talking about what? Something else. Okay, so here all these are to be circled. Okay, personal pronouns are to be circled. I will give the photograph of this, and this fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns in the following paragraph. Okay, this is example exercise. Now demonstrative pronoun. Now read the sentence. Now this is a book. Okay, whenever we are talking about a single book, okay, or single thing, things in a singular, okay, and that is near to us, so we will use what? This. Suppose this book is mine. Okay, so this is near to me and this is only one book, so I am using this. Okay, these are the grammar books. Okay, these are the grammar books. Whenever the books are near to me but they are plural in number, that is more than one, so what I will use is these are the grammar books. Okay, now that is the cow of a farmer named Hari. That is the cow means whenever here the cow is far away from us and we are talking about only one cow, so what we will use? That is the cow. Okay, and those are black cows. Okay, whenever the things are or anything that is that can be noun or whatever, whenever we are talking about the things that is far away from us but there is plural in number, that is more than one in number, we will use those. Okay, so the pronouns these, that and those are used to point out the object or objects to which they refer to. Okay, such pronouns are called demonstrative pronoun. Okay, demonstrative pronoun. Now tick the sentences that contain demonstrative pronoun, otherwise cross it. Okay, so those are beautiful dolls. Those are beautiful dolls. Okay, so that is true. Now here are your books. Here are your books. That is wrong. This is a present from my uncle. So that is true. Okay, now look at yourself. So that is wrong. Similarly, we have to cross all these things and tick the correct which is having demonstrative pronoun. Okay, now choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. This exercise you have to do by yourself. I will send you photographs later. Now interrogative pronouns. Now what is interrogative pronouns? Whenever we are talking about WH questions, okay, whenever we are asking questions to anyone about anything, then it is said to be as a interrogative pronoun. Let us see few examples. Who is there? Who are you? Whom do you like to be with? Whom do you want to talk to? Which is your house? What do you want? The above sentence, the pronouns who, whom, which, whose and what are used for asking questions. So they are therefore called interrogative pronouns.